What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a link to a text on your Canva design. So once you're inside Canva guys and you have the text that you want to add the link to, just simply tap on the text and you will have some options appear at the top there that's going to allow you to, let's say, take more to do more with the text. So click the three dots on the upper right hand side of that section there, and here you want to scroll down and look for a link. Tap on link, and here you can go ahead and you can start by entering the link or search for whatever you want. So let's say I want to type in YouTube. I can just simply type in youtube.com as an example, right? So I can type in youtube.com, and once I do that, I can simply click and go, or just basically click away, and here you will see that it's added. Now you can go ahead and you can choose the display mode, so it's going to be there as link. You want to ensure that it's link if you want, but as we're focusing on the link option here, we want to leave this as link, and just simply click and done, and guess what, a link is now added to your text. So at any point in time, once you're finished with your design, if you save this, for example, as a PDF document or whatever, if you want to, don't save it as a PNG or one of those static image files, you will be able to use the link. So I would recommend, for example, if you're saving this as a PDF, you can easily click that and you'll be able to actually go to the website once you click on that text in the document there afterwards. And that's it.